But while the majority of coronavirus cases in Indiana have occurred in bigger cities like Indianapolis, it certainly has also found its way to Hoosiers in rural communities. Around Indiana, reporter Mary-Rachel Redman has more on the pandemic's impact on small-town Indiana.
Thanks, Gary. The coronavirus has officially reached more than 2/3 of the country's rural counties. In Indiana, the Greene County community of Linton is one of the many rural counties dealing with the public health crisis.
We're having positive cases. We're seeing it here in our community. We've had hospitalized patients with it. There's still a lot of people who are out and about shopping and doing other things and kind of don't know how to convince people that this is serious because we're seeing the severity of it inside the hospital.
And given Greene County's aging population, who are considerably more at risk for the deadly effects of coronavirus, REIT says they've reallocated telehealth resources from area schools to skilled nursing facilities.
We have a physician that we call a sniffologist because all he does is go into skilled nursing facilities, and the skilled nursing facilities are at incredibly high risk of this, as we're kind of seeing throughout the country and throughout our state. So Dr. Martin can do telehealth inside the facilities without actually having to step foot in them. You take it from the school age population and now you move it to the senior population, and it's the same benefit. That has been a huge help to us to be able to keep and reduce the exposure to those patients.
And the continued impact of the coronavirus is not only straining healthcare resources. Linton Mayor John Wilkes told me over the phone this week that he's concerned with the long-term effects of the pandemic on his small businesses.
That is one of my biggest fears when this is over, that we're not going to have the businesses to support the community. Without those businesses and those employees that pay the taxes that comes into our city to keep us going.
You know, there's two things that keep me awake at night right now. And one is, which of my chamber members aren't going to make it through this? The community is going to care if somebody doesn't open their doors or, you know, can't weather this storm. You know, those are the people that, you know, continue to write the sponsorship checks and, you know, put their names on jerseys and, you know, will rally around whatever there is to rally around. You know, and if they're not here, then that is just a trickle down effect.
Mary-Rachel Redman, Inside Indiana Business.